Success plan for your home business. Hey, how you doing? I'm Ward from wardfund.com. A success plan for your business is very necessary. If you're going to win online, you have to win on purpose. What do I mean win on purpose? You have to have a plan to win. And that starts with creating a plan. You need to have a daily mode of operation. You need to know exactly what you're going to do every day. Now, you may not, like me, I have a home business. I don't work my home business every day. So, in my plan, I have to know what days I'm going to work my business and what hours. You have to write that down and you have to stick to it. You should have a calendar. And on your calendar, I have a calendar right here. And on my calendar, I have what I'm going to do on every day that I plan on working my business. I know on Saturday I'm going to create a video. I know on Thursday I'm going to be interviewing somebody. I know on Friday I'm creating more content for the people who I'm here to serve, my target audience. To have success in a home business, you also must evaluate. You must evaluate yourself, your performance, your product. Do people need your product? How good at you at producing your product? How easy is it to replace you? How easy can somebody else create this product? Those are some of the things you have to evaluate every month. What do I offer my customers that other people who may sell what I sell don't? You have to ask yourself those questions. You have to know those questions. Why? Because that's what's going to separate you from the pack. Why would somebody buy from Ward? I have to ask myself that. What makes me different? I have to constantly ask myself, what can I do to get better? Who am I trying to serve? How am I trying to serve them? And what is the end result they can expect from whatever, whether it's my service or my product? I'm constantly asking myself that so I can get better. That's the goal, to get better at what you do. Because the better you are, the more efficient you are, the more money you will make. And in most cases, that's the reason someone joined a home business or started a home business, was to make money. Right? Absolutely right. So if you want to make money, make sure you have a success plan. Have a calendar, work that calendar, and be disciplined to do what you wrote that you would do in the calendar. I'm your boy Ward from wardfund.com. I'll see you on the next video.